It's my wedding today. Thank you, baby. Thank you. Oh, so beautiful. She's fine. Hey, welcome back to my channel. So it's your girl Imelda Nzekwe. In this video today, I'll be transforming my beautiful self into a beautiful bride. So in case you are interested, then you definitely want to keep on watching. So guys, I'll be using my Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn and Chestnut to conceal my brows. Your best friend, I wanna be around you. Yeah. Everything about you makes me smile. I wanna be your best friend, your best friend. I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. Everything about you makes me smile. I wanna be your best friend, your best friend. I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said. Best friend, I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said. You don't need to worry. Guys, I'll be using my eyeshadow primer from Adventure to prime my eyes for my eyeshadow base. I wanna be your best friend, your best friend. Alright, so guys, I'll be using my favorite eyeshadow palette for the moment, and it's Blossom eyeshadow palette. Then I'll be going in with this very light shade. This is a very nude shade. Your best friend, your best friend. I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said. I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything Next, I'll be going in with this dark shade. It's still nude, but then is way darker than the first one I used. You make me smile. I wanna be your best friend, your best friend. I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. Then I'll be going in with this dark, very dark shade. Everything about you makes me smile. I wanna be your best friend, your best friend. I wanna be around you all the time. I'll be very deep. I'll be using this nude. I meant everything I said. Yeah. Everything about you makes me smile. I wanna be your best friend, your best friend. I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said. Yeah. Everything about you makes me smile. I wanna be your best friend. I'll be using this brush to blend it all. I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, I'll be going in with this other one. I meant everything I said. Yeah. Everything about you. I'll be using my KR eyeliner gel. I wanna be your best friend, your best friend. I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said. Yeah. Everything about you makes me smile. I wanna be your best friend,
be using my moisturizer from Cetaphil.
You makes me smile. I wanna be your best friend, your best friend. I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry.
So guys, I allowed the moisturizer to dry, and then I'm using my Stay Matte Rimmel primer.
I wanna be your best friend, your best friend. I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said, yeah. Everything about you makes me smile.
Then I'll be setting with my Kiss Beauty setting spray.
Your best friend. I wanna be around.
So while we wait for that to dry up, I'll be fixing my lashes. So I'll be using my favorite lashes for the meantime by Rhaylashes. You can go check her out on Instagram. She's really good, and her prices, they are quite affordable. So I'll be going in with this part. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna head to fix my lashes, and the next thing I'll be doing is to apply my foundation. This is Phoera foundation, yeah, and this is in the shade Mocha. Okay.
You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said, yeah. Everything about you makes me smile. I wanna be your best friend, your best friend. I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand.
Alright, so guys, I'll be using my Elegant Pro concealer to highlight. That's the same shade I used to conceal my down part of my brows. That's the one I'm going to be using for my highlighter. Okay.
Your best friend. I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said. Your best friend. I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said, yeah. Everything about you makes me smile. I wanna be your best friend, your best friend. I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said, yeah. Everything about you makes me smile. I wanna be your best friend, your best friend. I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said, yeah. Everything about you makes me smile.
So guys, I'll be contouring with the darker shade of my the darker shade in my powder palette.
You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said, yeah. Everything about you makes me smile. I wanna be your best friend, your best friend. I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said, yeah. Everything about you makes me smile. I wanna be your best
guys, I'll be using my KR brow gel to line my lips.
You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said, yeah. Everything about you makes me smile.
So I'll be going in with my Beyond Beauty nude lipstick, and this is 26, right? Guys, I'll be dusting off the excess setting powder using my powder palette, my half powder palette.
Your best friend, I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said, yeah. Everything about you makes me smile. I wanna be your best friend, I wanna be around you all the time.
Alright, so guys, I'll be applying my glow.
I meant everything I said, yeah. Everything about you makes me smile. I wanna be your best friend, I wanna be around you all the time.
Alright, so guys, I'll be making my eye pop a little bit by adding this Miss Rose Gold Goddess. This, yeah.
Your best friend, I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said.
So guys, the next thing I'll be doing is to add gloss on my lips.
I wanna be your best friend, you makes me smile. I wanna be your best friend, I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said, yeah. Everything about you makes me smile. I wanna be your best friend, you makes me smile. I wanna be your best friend, I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said, yeah. Everything about you makes me smile. I wanna be your best friend, I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything, yeah.
Alright guys, so we've come to the end of the tutorial, and I hope you enjoy watching this, because I definitely had fun creating this look. Like, I know that I would make a pretty bride someday. Thank you for watching to this extent, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Don't also forget to like, comment, share, and if there's any other look you would want me to create, don't hesitate to drop it on the comment section. See you guys in my next video. Until then, stay loved, stay blessed, stay fabulous. You know I love you guys. Bye.